a year ago, wasn't really happy with the choices I made and decisions I made. Tried to lose weight and kind of get my life back together on my own and wasn't really that successful at it. A couple months ago, maybe March, April, looked into Wellspring and basically took me an hour to decide that I wanted to come here and called my parents and here we are.
Wellspring is a comprehensive lifestyle management program.
We're not just based upon weight loss, we are looking at health, we're looking at wellness, we're looking at fitness, and we're trying to work with both the psychological side plus the physical side and help those two marry together to move forwards.
One thing that Wellspring is amazing with is teaching us how to continue with the nutrition classes and culinary classes, teaching us how to be healthier human beings. And they really try hard to give us ways that we can be active in the real world.
Since Wellspring, I've tried to be more fashionable, I've made more friends, lost a ton of weight, everything's just better generally.
It's basically something that you can do for your whole life.
This is actually making a difference. I'm actually doing something that's improving my overall health.
I've proven to myself that I am able to do this. I am able to work out and eat healthy and live a healthier lifestyle.
It's a community and it's support that you can't get in the same way any other place. And from that, you build family and there's fun and there are tears and there are challenges, and it is a togetherness that sort of makes the whole thing exactly what it is.
My family has just been completely supportive, and that rocks.
Wellspring gave me the ability to do what I wanted, and I didn't have to be, the spectator in my life anymore. I could be the player. I could do what I wanted to do.
Once a Wellspring camper comes through our program, they're always in the Wellspring family. We like to say that help is just a phone call away.
You came here looking for a change in your diet. You're getting that. You're learning portions, you're learning culinary, you're learning nutrition.
Give someone the confidence and the skills and the strength to feel like they can do something on their own is something that I would never not want to be a part of.
Come to Wellspring, it can change your life. You get the friendship that you will make when you're here, you get the great staff, you get the aftercare, you lose a ton of weight and your fitness soars through the roof.
I came here looking for a change, and I 100% feel in my heart that I found that change.
The opportunities that come to you at Wellspring are endless. It doesn't stop that last day of camp. It doesn't stop a week after the last day of camp. They're going to follow you throughout your life.